Hello, Miss. Good morning.
Good morning. Let's start our lesson.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Continue from previous lecture, page number 25. Now, in this lecture, we are discuss about the new concept, atomic size.
Question 50.
Today, I think Pinky's first lecture, na? Pinky Kumari.
What, Miss?
That is atomic size. You have seen in the previous standard that size, volume is a fundamental property of a matter. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost shell.
Time pass.
Outermost shell. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit picometer, which is smaller than nanometer. Some elements are their atomic radii are given here at the right hand side. Elements and their atomic radius are, the first element is oxygen, its atomic radius is 66, then barium 88, carbon 77,
Nitrogen 74,
yes, beryllium 111,
beryllium and lithium 152.
M152.
You will find that atomic radius goes on decreasing while going from left to right within a period. When you take a glance on our periodic table, atomic radius is go on decreasing by going from left to right in a period. The reason behind this is as while going from left to right within a period, the atomic number increases one by one. Look at it. The atomic number is increased 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one by one. Meaning the positive charge on the nucleus increases by 1 unit at a time. However, the additional electron gets added to the same outermost shell. The two shells are only there, K and L. No another shell is added in it.
Yes, Miss.
Due to the increased nuclear charge, the electrons are pulled toward the nucleus to a greater extent and thereby the size of the atom decreases. This is the answer of the question number 7, exercise question number 7C. Pick out it. Question number 7C. Answer is
question number 7. C. Yes, Miss. Okay.
That is atomic radius goes on increasing. No. That one not the answer of this. Period. Periods. Later on we are discuss about it. A. Atomic radius goes on decreasing by going from left to right in a period. This is the answer of A. Question number 7A. Yes? Not a C.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Now, referring with this atomic modern periodic table, there are some questions are given. Use your brain power.
Okay, Miss.
Use your brain power. That is, first question is, by referring to the modern periodic table, find out the periods to which the above elements belong. In which period the above elements are belong? Oxygen, barium, carbon, nitrogen, beryllium and lithium. Where is oxygen?
Teacher, metallic.
No. In which periods they belong?
Non-metallic.
Second period answer only, Prashant.
Okay.
Yes. Look at oxygen.
Second period.
Then this boron, this carbon, nitrogen, and lithium and beryllium. They are in the second period. Yes, that one is the answer. Now come to on the second. Arrange the above elements in a decreasing order of their atomic radii. Decreasing order. Which is the first one?
Lithium, Miss. Lithium.
Yes, lithium 152.
Then
Then
beryllium.
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 Yes.
Beryllium.
111.
Then
Nitrogen.
nitrogen
Nitrogen.
74.
Then
Carbon
carbon
77.
77.
And
Seven.
boron 88.
Boron 88.
Oxygen
Oxygen
66.
66.
Yes. Then the next question. Does this arrangement match with the pattern of the second period of the modern periodic table? Does this pattern match? The second answer.
Yes.
Lithium, barium.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, na? Because look at in
Yes.
the periodic table. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, and neon.
हाँ मिस है yes.
Now the question number 4. Which of the above elements have the biggest and the smallest atom? Biggest?
Lithium.
Yes, lithium. Smallest?
Oxygen.
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 Then the next one. 5th. What is the periodic trend observed in the variation of atomic radius while going from left to right within a period? When you're going from left to right, from this to this, left to right, what do
Miss,
you
the
trend
atomic number
observe?
increases one by one. The atomic number increases one by one.
Yes. While going from left to right within a period, atomic
क्या मजा करता?
number increases one by one. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like this. Therefore, what happens? Atomic radius decreases. As the atomic radius decreases, atomic size gradually decrease. कम होते चले जाएगी. Now, some elements and their atomic radii are given in the textbook at the left hand side. Look at that. The first one is potassium. Atomic radius is 231.
मजाक मत कर मार दो फिर
Sodium 186. Then rubidium 244. 244. And wait a minute. Rubidium and cesium. That is cesium is 55. 262. Sorry. And then lithium is 152. By referring to the modern periodic table, find out the groups to which above the element belongs. Now, come on the groups. On which group these elements are belong? Potassium, sodium, rubidium,
group potassium sodium S block में है मिस ये
cesium, and lithium. In which group they belong? That is, they belong. Answer is they belong to the first group. Look at. The first is potassium. K is there. Yes. The next one is sodium.
Yes.
Is there sodium is there? Yes. Then
Yes,
rubidium
yes.
is there. Then cesium
Yes.
is there.
yes
Lithium
Yes.
is there. That is,
Yes.
they belong
Yes.
to the first group.
First
First
group.
Yes, answer is the first group L. Arrange. Next question is that arrange the above element vertically downwards in an increasing order
90%
of
हो गया.
atomic radii. You have to arrange them according to increasing order of their atomic radii.
Charging नहीं.
Increasing
Yes,
order में उनको arrange करना है.
सबसे पहले मिस लिथियम आएगा
Yes.
152
हाँ, yes. Then
then miss
Sodium.
sodium
Sodium आएगा.
186
186. Then
yeah then potassium
Potassium
231.
231.
Yes, yes.
then ये miss
Rubidium.
rubidium
Rubidium
Rubidium.
244.
and cesium Cesium 262.
162.
Yes. Now the next question. Does this arrangement match with the pattern of the group 1 of the modern periodic table?
Yes.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes,
Because
Yes,
look
miss.
at in the
Yes.
first group. Lithium,
Yes,
sodium,
miss.
potassium, rubidium, cesium,
Yeah.
and this one
Cesium.
is the
Francium.
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 Yes. Now come to on the question number 4. Which of the
Yes.
above element have the biggest and the smallest atom? The biggest atom is
Cesium 262.
Yeah.
yes.
And the smallest is lithium
Lithium.
152.
Lithium.
150. Good. Now the next question. What is the periodic trend observed in the variation of atomic radii down a group?
नहीं
Look at
समझा मिस ये।
डाउन अ ग्रुप मतलब जब हम ऊपर से नीचे जाएंगे जस्ट लाइक दैट हम लोग पीरियड्स में लेफ्ट से राइट जाते हैं तो क्या होता है एटॉमिक रेडिया डिक्रीज होती जाती है बिकॉज नो वन
Increasing.
अनदर शेल इज एडेड बट इन
Yes.
दिस क्वेश्चन व्हेन वी गो फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम इन द ग्रुप्स व्हिच ट्रेंड दे फॉलो which trend they follow while going down a group?
Miss, atomic size goes increasing.
Yes, atomic number increases because
Yes.
one shell is added. Atomic radius
Yes.
increases and therefore atomic size gradually increases. That one is the answer.
मिस उसके नीचे पैरा है उसमें पूरा वही दिया है।
हाँ, वही लिखा हुआ है. That one is the answer. Now turn the page and come on to page number 26.
Yes, miss.
Now the next topic is metallic, non-metallic characters. Use your brain power. Again, some questions are asked according to our concept. Look at the elements of the third period. Now, which is the third period? Look the elements of the third period. This one is that. Yes?
Yes.
This one is
P
the
block
third
वाले
period.
miss।
Yes.
Classify them into metals and non-metals.
मेटल नॉन मेटल ओके मिस।
Third period.
मिस ये जो P block है
Sorry,
ना
third period one is this one is the sodium से start होगा ना third period.
Yes, miss.
Which one is the first? Sodium, magnesium. Then look at
Yes.
aluminium,
Aluminium,
Aluminum.
phosphorus,
silicon,
sulfur, chlorine and argon. Look at the element of third period and classify them into metals. Last lecture I already told you that the left hand side zigzag line of the left hand side are all the metals, right hand side are all the non-metals, and
Non-metal.
on the zigzag line they are the metalloids.
Metalloids.
Then which are the metals and which are the non-metals? Look at left hand
Sodium,
side, sodium, magnesium and aluminium are
magnesium, aluminium, metals.
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 Then Nandini, non-metals, phosphorus, Jyoti, silicon,
Phosphorus.
sulfur,
Sulfur,
chlorine,
silicon,
chlorine,
argon.
they are the
Non-metal.
non-metals. Yes, Siddhi?
Non-metals.
Siddhi, you can hear me?
Yes, miss.
Then which are the metalloids? Tell me.
Miss, aluminium.
No. It is
Silicon.
metals
Silicon.
only.
Miss is silicon. It is on zigzag line.
Yes, silicon is metalloid. All these boron,
Metalloid.
silicon, arsenic, these are on the zigzag line metals. All they are
Zigzag.
the metalloids.
Metals.
Left hand side all the metals, right hand side all the non-metals.
Non-metals.
Metal.
Yes. Then next question. Question number 2. Look at in your textbook. On which side of the period are the metals?
Left.
Left.
Left side.
Next question. On which side of the period did you find the non-metal?
Right side.
Right hand
On the
side.
right side. Right side.
Yes. And metalloids?
On zigzag line.
Zigzag
On
line.
zigzag line.
Yes, on zigzag line. It is seen that the metallic elements like sodium, magnesium are towards the left. The non-metallic elements such as sulfur, chlorine are toward the right. The metallite element silicon lies in between these two types. A similar pattern is also observed in the other periods. Other periods where this similar pattern also observed in other periods also. That is this potassium, rubidium, same as it is. It is seen that the zigzag lines separate the metal from non-metal in the periodic table. These zigzag lines separate the metal and non-metal. Now, let us compare the characteristic chemical properties of metal and non-metal. It is seen from the form of metal, while the anion, it is seen from the chemical formulae of a simple ionic compound that the cation in them is formed from a metal, while the anion form on a non-metal. That is, cation means positive ion is formed on the metals, and negative is formed on the non-metals.
Non-metals.
From this, it is understood that metal atoms have a tendency to form a cation by losing its valence electron. This property is called as the electropositivity of an ion, because metal have a tendency to lose the electrons easily. That's why they form a plus sign on their head. That is, for example, Na plus. Then this magnesium plus, because they give 2 electrons to the other non-metals. That way they form a electropositivity of an element. On the other hand, an atom of a non-metal has a tendency to form an anion by accepting the electrons from outside into its valence shell. We have already seen that ions have a stable electronic configuration of a noble gas. When you look at in the noble gas in the 18th group, they all are the noble gas. How is the ability to lose or accept electron in the valence shell determined? All the electrons in an atom are held by the attractive force exerted on them by the positively charged nucleus. Electrons in the inner shell lie in between the valence shell and the nucleus. Because of their presence, the effective nuclear charge exerting an attractive force on the valence electron is somewhat less than the actual nuclear charge. Thus, the number of valence electron in metal is small, less than the actual nuclear charge. Thus, the number of actual nuclear charge, thus the number of valence in metal is small. Also, the effective nuclear charge exerting attractive force on the valence electron is small. As combined effect on these two factors, metal have a tendency to lose the electrons, and non-metal have a tendency to accept the electrons. Any doubt, Prashant?
No, miss.
That's why they form a Na plus sign, that is the electropositivity, and non-metals form a electronegativity. Look at in again the page number 26, 2.10 diagram. Here is the again the metal and non-metals and metalloids trend is given. That is, in the periods, atomic radius decreasing, then their electronegativity increasing and non-metallic character also increasing. Electropositivity decreasing and metallic character increasing. In the group, from when we go from the top to bottom, group में जब हम ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे, then which characteristics we found? That is, atomic radius increases because one shell is again added in it. Decreasing electronegativity and non-metallic character, increasing electropositivity and metallic character. That is, the metallic character of element increasing while going down the group. Metallic character जब भी हम ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ जाते हैं तो increase होता है. जब हम left to right की तरफ जाते हैं in the periods, within the period from left to right, the valence electrons is decreasing. Now use your pen from textbook number 27, page number 27. What is the cause of non-metallic character of element? What is the cause of non-metallic character of element? Anybody answer Prashant? Anu? Talu? Anybody? Answer is that the tendency of an element to form anion or electronegativity is the non-metallic character of the element because they form the electronegativity. Second question is, what is the expected trend in the variation of non-metallic character of element from left to right in the period? From left to right.
Atomic number increases, Miss.
Yeah, that is the answer is, in a period, atomic number increases from left to right. Electronegativity also increases and non-metallic character increases due to this decrease in the atomic size. Third question is, what would be the expected trend in variation of non-metallic character of element from down the group? ऊपर से नीचे जब आप group में जाएंगे तो what is the trend? Jyoti?
Atomic size is increases
Yes.
because the one shell is added in this.
Atomic size increases, electropositivity increases, while electronegativity decrease and non-metallic character decreases. That one is the answer. Gradation in halogen family. Now come to our last halogen family. This one halogen family in the 17th group. Group 17 contains the member of the halogen family. When you look at it, there is a halogen family. Why they are called as a halogen? That is, hal means salt, a gen means a former. They forming a salt when they combine with metals. That is, for example, when look at, there is a chlorine, bromine. When they combine with the metals, for example, NaCl, NaI, NaBr, NF, they form a salt. NaCl, that is a salt. Then sodium iodine, also salt. That's why they are called as a halogen family. All of them have the general formula X2 because they are from the diatomics. Single, they can't present, they are in the diatomic form. A gradation is observed in their physical state down the group. Thus, fluorine F2, chlorine Cl2 are gases. Bromine is liquid while iodine is a solid form. As they are all the halogens, but in that fluorine is and chlorine are the gases. Chlorine gas is poisonous gas. We are discussing in the 9th standard. Then again, bromine is a liquid form. Although it is a it is a liquid form, while iodine is in a solid form. Yes. Now collect the information you have to give one, that is inert gas elements. Which are the inert gas elements? We now discuss the halogens. These are the halogen family in the 17th group. Now which are the inert gas? The noble gas elements. Dinku.
Group 18 में
Yes, group 18 elements are the noble gas or
zero group.
Zero group elements. Uses of various elements. Now which are the uses of various elements? These are the helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are our noble gas elements. Which are the uses? The uses of helium is welding electronics. It is used in the welding electronics. Then neon.
Neon means it is used for light.
Yes. The advertising boards, lights के लिए use होता है neon. Then argon, again light bulb. The inner lining of this light bulb is made up of our argon. Then krypton.
Argon.
Yes, krypton. Uses of krypton. सेमीकंडक्टर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड अदर सर्किट बोर्ड्स में यूज होते हैं हमारे क्रिप्टॉन. Then xenon laboratory experiments. Many such uses and applications of these inert gases are there. You have to find out from this internet and note down in your notebook.
Okay,
Now
miss.
come to our exercise. I think first exercise question number 1 we are discussed.
Yes,
Now
miss.
come to the second. Some exercise we discuss and remaining you have to complete in your exercise, and when our next lecture is there, everybody show me the exercise. Send a pic in a WhatsApp group.
Okay,
Yes,
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
because part 2 first chapter, part 2 second chapter complete, and also part 1 second chapter is complete. Now in the next we are next
Yes,
chapter
miss.
6. Now choose the correct option and rewrite the statement. The number of electron in the outermost shell of alkali metals is
1.
yes, because alkali metals is the of the first group. Second is the alkaline earth metals. D block is the transition elements. Yes, remember that. Alkaline earth metal have valency 2. This means that their position in the modern periodic table is
Group 2.
Group 2. Molecular formula of the chloride of an element X is XCl. This compound is a solid having high melting point. Which of the following element be present in the same group as X?
Na.
Sodium.
Sodium.
Because when it is solid form, high melting point. That is, it is combined with chlorine, form a NaCl. The next D. In which block of the modern periodic table are the non-metals found? Which block non-metals?
F block.
Miss P block.
P block.
P block.
This
block.
D block.
yes, look at there in the
F
periodic
block.
table. P block, comma non-metal.
non-metallic.
Non-metals.
An element has its electronic configuration as 282. Now answer the following. What is the atomic number of this element?
12.
Yes. What is the group of this element? Group 2. Group. Second group. That is second. To which period does this element belong? Period. Look at 12 number element is the magnesium. Yes.
Magnesium.
Yes. It belongs to
Yes,
the
yes.
second group and belong to the third period. When you look at in the periodic table, it is 1 to third period and 1 to second group. With which of the following element would these elements resemble? Atomic numbers are given in the brackets. Which are resembles?
Beryllium.
Beryllium. है ना? Because it is in the same group.
Yes.
Second group. Now question number 4. Here the electronic configuration given and some questions are given and answer it. Explanation. That is first in lithium, silicon, helium, neon and phosphor. Which of these elements belong to be period 3? Period 3. Look at it, the period 3. Period 3. 1, 2, 3. That one is the period 3.
Sodium.
Silicon.
Sodium, silicon and
Silicon.
phosphorus.
Silicon. Sodium. Phosphorus.
Yes. Second answer. Which of these elements belong to the second group?
Nitrogen.
Second group.
Nitrogen.
Second group.
Calcium.
Which one is the second group? Yes. Calcium and beryllium.
Beryllium.
Beryllium. Now third question. Which is the most electronegative element among these? Most electronegative. Oxygen. Then D. Which is the most electropositive element?
Aluminium.
Aluminium. Because its electronic configuration 283. It easily gives the 3 electrons. Now E. Which of these has largest atom? Sodium. The F. Which of these atom has smallest atomic radius? Smallest atomic radius. Beryllium. G. Which of the above element has the highest metallic character? Sodium. Because electronic configuration 2, 8, 1 easily give 1 electron. H. Which of the above element has the highest non-metallic character? Non-metallic.
Chlorine.
Chlorine. Electronic configuration is 2, 7. Take 1 electrons and complete its outermost shell. Now question number 5. Write the name and symbol of the element. The first one, the atom having the smallest size.
Helium.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Smallest size. The atom having smallest atomic size. Atomic mass.
Hydrogen.
Sunny? Sunny Singh, raise hand. Give me the answer. Hydrogen. The most electronegative atom.
Oxygen.
Fluorine. Yes, fluorine. The most reactive non-metal. Fluorine. Yes, fluorine. Now some short notes is given here. Mendelic periodic table. You have to note down 7 questions. You also solve by yourself because already we have discussed in the chapter. Now come on the question number 8. The last question. Write the names from the description. The first question. The period with electrons in the shell K, L and M.
Third period.